Mechanical engineering is a very broad field that includes the building, testing, developing, designing of products, creating solutions in a variety of settings. A mechanical engineering student that starts at IC, they should expect to get hands-on learning experience and be prepared for their work in industry. So any student that shows up to the mechanical engineering program will be ready for their careers.
So through the mechanical engineering program, I actually did an internship and I did summer research with Dr. Coons, and we made micro supercapacitors. Getting that hands-on experience is really important for the way that I learn personally.
Several strong reasons to come to Illinois College for mechanical engineering are that, number one, you're going to get hands-on experience from the get-go, year one. Mechanical engineering is hard work no matter where you go, and Illinois College is no exception. But we have a fantastic support system. We have professors that hold weekly office hours many times a week, and if you can't make those office hours, we schedule time aside from that to make sure we meet with you. Your success is our success. We give you a ton of skills that you can directly put on your resume. And we're focused on getting you a job in mechanical engineering. Not just any job, but the job you want. We're focused on helping you discover your likes and dislikes. As a professor, I feel we really take students under our wings and make sure they succeed.